So we cooling down the subway. It's hot. Underground sounds too. Yes, he flipped it my way. Part 2, here we go. So we're hanging out here at Times Square. What's your name?
Lindsay.
Lindsay. So what brings you here in the middle of the subway, you know, showing your talent, showing your stuff? What brings you out here?
Well, I'm actually a part of Music Under New York now, but whenever I came to New York, I didn't have a job, and I came for music, and so I started to busk for money, but also I have this idea that, you know, music is meant to be shared, and, you know, of course, like, the best thing to do is turn, like, the ground you're walking on into a stage, which is what busking does, and so I thought, hey, why don't I just go underground and see what happens, and I've had, like, the most fascinating, cool experience. Like, this was, like, one of the, weird, but really cool, and, like, I was like, all of a sudden, whoa, camera right there, you know, and, like, that's, you know, I've taken so many pictures with tourists from all over the world, you know, and, like, kids, you know, I've, like, kissed kids on the head and everything.
So how long have you been performing underground for?
Just under a year.
Just under a year?
Yeah.
Anything weird, funky that you've seen being underground, the subway?
Anything weird?
Like funky, something out of the ordinary. Something that stands out in your memory.
Something that stands out in my memory.
Anything?
There's always at least a dancer almost every time I'm out that starts dancing to the stuff, so that's pretty cool.
So are you always in the Times Square location, or
no,
you travel all around?
All over the city. I've been all over the city. Today I was scheduled for Times Square. I used to do Delancey Street a lot. That was a weird thing. I had to stop.
Delancey? Lower East Side?
Yeah.
I'm from the Lower East Side.
Hey!
So what about the stalker? What, he was stalking you or something?
Yeah, he was like convinced. He told one of my friends like one morning, he was like, I'm looking for this girl. This is my girlfriend. And he Facebooked me and he was like, hey, just FYI, there's this drunk dude in the subway who's saying you're his girlfriend. You might want to steer clear of that stop.
Oh my
And it was like really weird, man.
So you don't go there no more?
I don't go there anymore, but that was one of my favorite stops. So it was like, and I met my boyfriend there.
Oh,
and
wow.
Like, you know.
Oh, are you still with him?
I'm still with him.
Oh, that's a good luck stop then.
I know.
Tricky, but a little
I
good
know.
luck. I don't want to be in the Twitter. Whether it's Brooklyn, Queens, Manhattan, when you hear sounds like that, you know this is underground sound. Are you a New Yorker?
Not by birth.
Not by birth. So where are you originally from?
Pittsburgh.
Pittsburgh. We had a little rivalry with Pittsburgh and Jets at one point. You know that. I don't know if you follow football. No.
Yeah, I follow football.
You do?
I would have been like disowned if I didn't follow football.
Black and yellow,
black and yellow, black and yellow. Of course.
So shoot out to Facebook, Twitter, where they can find you. How can we find you and locate you in the cyber world?
Sure. Lindsay Dragon is my name. LindsayDragon.com is my official site. You can find me on Facebook, just Lindsay Dragon, and Twitter, Lindsay Dragon. Super easy. It's like dragon with an A.
She's making noise. She's making noise. That's how she got my attention.
And I'm currently writing songs for my next album, so keep in touch.
That's where you can find her at, New York City. Here it goes.